Hey guys, how you doing? Big John with J Custom Build. So I have not done like a long video in a while, and so I'm having to depin this again to pull these out of these old bars. So I kind of wanted to go over this really quick and show you guys how I do. So first thing is I just get this tab out and I basically go in here, stick a small screwdriver or something in the bottom of this just underneath it, and you pull it out and you just slide this tab on down like that, right? Feed the wires through like so. And so you free them up, right? So they're nice and free. So now I get this, see that little hook in there? I mean, not a hook, this is a hook. See these tabs in there? You wanna get that and you wanna pull it out. Sometimes they're not, doesn't wanna come out. Oh, you know why? Did I bend one of those tabs? Okay, so you want to get this little tab and you want to, there you go. See, you pull it out and you'll hear it click and snap. And then I made, where's my little guy at? I made this out of a small Allen wrench. So what I did is I filed it down, because what you want to do is see those little tiny holes right in there. You guys see those little holes? So we'll do this orange one first. So what you do is you push that down and you'll hear it click. Sometimes you have to do it again, and you just pull it out. You got to pay attention to how they go. Right? So that one's done. And I've already taken pictures of this. I already know how they go, so I don't have to worry about it. So pull that out and you just keep going in each hole. Pull that one out and you pull that one out, and you just keep on going until they're all out. Come on, yellow. Pull it back out if it doesn't want to go. Pull it out, and then we'll go with the red black, or the black with the red lining, and then I'm going to be done here with this whole side, and then the brown, right? And then you go to the next one, and there's only 4 wires on that one, so I'm going to go here, pull the pink one out, go there. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing, man. Right? Pull that out. And when you put these back in, you really got to pay attention to how you put them in, because if there's just one that's not right, and there you go. You leave these 4 in there because they're blanks. And there's your connector. And then these, I have them separated. So these, you just pull all these out. Then you pull these out. Some of them are longer than others. That's why they look all funky. Pull these out. They have to come out a certain way. Flip them around. Twist them with your hand. Come back around this way. And what's going on? That one. Right? Because there's actually, they're shaped different. The top's flat, and then in the middle, it's shaped like a U. In the middle, it's shaped like a U on the other side. So you have to turn them to get them out. If they don't come out, just keep spinning. I don't know why this one's so long. And you just bring them out, and you don't want to lose these tabs. You don't want to lose. You want to keep all this in one place, right? So I'm taking these, this, and this pin, and I'm putting everything in there. Right? Because believe it or not, you can actually, doesn't take much to lose them. So now that I have them like this, I had to literally go into here, because these bars weren't beveled, right? And they were coming down to here. So every time I try to run the wires here, anything that was on there, whether it was the regular jacket like this, the regular Harley jacket that comes with it, no matter what it was snagging in this corner and snagging in that corner. and you were never going to see these holes. So the customer said, these were already there, I don't know why, but the customer said, well, how can you get them through? I said, the only way to get them through is if I drill a hole on the bottom and put a plug in it when I'm done. You're not going to see this anyways, it's going to be on the very bottom, and stick a file in there and bevel, and that's what I did. So I was able to get these through, but the reason why we were having issues is because this twist grip sensor, I found a short in it. When I connected the multimeter, some of these wires in here were grounding out, which means there's a short inside of this sensor. So all this down here is good. This little plug here, there's a little plug right there. I don't want to separate it right now, but there's a tab right there. You push that tab. And so I ordered a new one for him, and keep that there. It's going to come with its own wiring. These were 16s. Because the new ones are 14s, I don't think I'm going to have to extend the new ones just like this. This is actually for a 14. This is a twin power stoplight switch, which goes into the clamshell. And what happened was, when I went, I thought I had put the hand lever, the brake lever, on the right side. I thought I had put the lever on right, and it was sitting perfect. And when I went to squeeze it, you got to be super careful. You should put that lever on last. When I went to squeeze it, it snapped the tip of the lever, the little tip there. So that's why I had to, this was my bad, so I didn't charge a customer for this. I had to order a new one. So now I'm going to go ahead and take all this off, and then I'm going to pull these wires back out. So let's get started with that. That's the big one.